Hello everyone, welcome to the Spooky AI Setup Guide. You should be on the 4-minute quick setup page. If you are, go ahead and scan the QR code and let the app process start installing. This will only work on iOS for now, but we have plans to expand to Android later. Once the app installs, you should see a screen that looks like this, a page that prompts you to either authenticate with Google or Apple. Once you sign in, step 1 is complete. From here, let's enable notifications on the app. At the top of the screen, you should see a box saying Enable Notifications. If it's red, you haven't enabled them yet. If it's green, you have. So let's tap on the box and click Send Notifications Allow. The box should turn green. We just completed step 2. Now, let's send a test question that the AI would be asking to us on a simulated notification. Click on the eye in the top right of the phone screen. Now, let's ask a basic question. For example, what is your favorite holiday? Then press the Send Test Message button. You should see a notification appearing on the screen saying, "What's your favorite holiday?" This means notifications are enabled and the process will work. Now, let's run this in the cloud. Let's go ahead and dismiss this notification. Long press and click the Ignore button. Now you can see that notification has gone away and we're back to our original home screen. On your computer, go ahead and open an empty Python environment. Then, back on your phone, click on the second item down on the main screen. It should be your API key. This API key is confidential and should not be shared with anyone. From here, go ahead and tap on the API key. You'll see a share mode will pop up on the phone, and from there you can airdrop it to your computer or email it to yourself. In this case, I'll airdrop it to my computer. Alright, now that we've shared our API key to our computer, let's open up a blank Python environment. In this case, I'll use Replit, although I recommend using an actual Python environment like in VS Code or Google Colab on your computer. The first step is to install the Spooky AI Python package using pip. In your terminal, type in pip install Spooky AI and press enter. From here, the package will install. From here, let's copy the sample code in step 6. You'll see there are 4 places for us to input information to configure this correctly. The first entry is your API key. This is simple. This should be airdropped or emailed to your computer from before. Simply paste in the text string into the quotes. The next is a unique identifier for this agent. If at some point you have many agents all texting you at once, it's important to have a unique identifier for each one. For an example, let's say this agent is a homework helper bot, which, at the beginning of every week, goes out and web scrapes my homework for me and starts working on it. Let's give this agent a name. Let's make this agent's unique ID Jax_homework_agent. If you have different projects, they can be named anything, they just can't be the same. Next, let's enter the display name of this agent. This will be shown to me on the phone, and it's just for display purposes. I'll call it Jax Homework Agent. Finally, let's give this agent a quick profile picture to appear in the notification. I'll do this one. This function will ask me the question passed in the parameter, and then should wait until I respond. The max timeout is usually a week, but you can configure this as you wish. Let's say this agent is working on my homework, but can't figure out how to do a certain integral. Let's have him ask me what the integral of 0 to 2 of x is. As you can see, the homework agent asks a question. From here, I'll go ahead and respond to it in the app. In the same way, when we simulated the notification, our app is turned into a list of things we have to address. Let's click on the notification and respond to the answer. What's the integral of 0 to 2 of x? Well, the integral of x is 1/2 x squared, and plugging in 0 and 2, we'll get 2 as the answer. I'll go ahead and respond with 2 and press submit response, and we can see back on our terminal, the user has responded with 2. The cool thing here is the Python code will wait until we respond on the device. Now, the Spooky AI Python package provides many more resources than just the query human method. We have automatic link chain tools, AutoGPT tools, and OpenAI agent tools. I'll provide more tutorials on how to set up those on the next few pages. Thanks for setting it up with me.